Riwruok mar okinde mamine FIDA kod jokanya riwruok mang'iyo yor chik weche ji ma odak kod kute mag Ayaki Kelin oseoyo ma piny owacho tawo godo weche agucho kuom manyien mar thieth mar SHIF. Riwruoge makero weche mag thieth kod ratich joma mine okoni apaka mathoth goyo aguch thieth mar SHIF kendo kelo midhiero ne ji mang'aw e pacho ka koting'o joma ong'ol kod ji modak kod kute mag Ayaki. Gidwaro ni piny owacho kokalo e migawo mar thieth oket lai maneno ni SHIF otiyo e yo makare.
When you look at the access rules and the access limits that have been put under the benefits package and tariff, you realize that the access has been capped at 900 Kenya shillings. Anybody will let you know that the kind of tests that are occasionally taken by persons living with HIV, including liver function tests, 900 bob is not enough to cover any of those tests. So if we are looking at universal health coverage and we are saying that nobody should be left behind, what are we saying for HIV care?
Urgent clarity is needed regarding critical schemes like Linda Mama and Edu Afia, as well as HIV care access, which have been inadequately addressed under the new system. Many Kenyans remained uninformed about changes to healthcare access, with facilities refusing to offer services, patients being detained over bills, and chronic illnesses treatment disrupted.